Hi dear friends, welcome to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell for video updates. Thanks for your support. Hi, I'd like to introduce my YouTube Kindle book, SEO Kindle book, which is easy to understand and full of secrets, tactics and methods to rank your YouTube video. Please click the link in the description to find out more and support my channel. Take care. Healthy snacks. If you are doing a healthy snack business, so you can actually use this idea to, you can actually research on that. So I'm going to do another keyword which is called tasty snacks. So I'm like expanding your understanding of it. It's actually increasing. It's actually decreased since April. I think because people are more there's this lockdown at home in coronavirus, so people are like checking out tasty snacks at home in YouTube. But it's still rising again. It rises back to the normal level because I think people at this time, maybe some people work at home now, and because though the governments are actually opening up the economy, but sometimes they find that actually there are still cases of coronavirus increasing, so they have a lockdown again. That is possible. Tasty snacks to make at home. Okay, let's say that I check out this keyword, tasty snack to make at home. So this is the food business we are talking about. Okay, let me see. We just go tasty snacks. So it's a very good way to gauge. Tasty snacks. So you can actually promote products using this tasty snack to make at home. Okay, tasty snack to make at home. Let me see what electronic product do they promote. Tasty snacks to make at home. Tasty snack I want to make at home. 15 million views. Wow, this is a lot of views, man. I mean, this will be a very popular topic. You just check out this video. Takes easy step. The visual is very good. The visual of this video is very good. That's why. Let's see, how do they monetize it? We can actually do some checking on. Oh, it's actually on BuzzFeed. Okay, credits is BuzzFeed. Facebook BuzzFeed. Okay, I don't see any monetization. Not even an AdSense ad. I was wondering how they actually earn money from this. Maybe they don't. I'm not sure. But let's do a double quote to see whether. In 5 minutes. Okay, let me do this more longer tail keyword. I think you get ranked easier for keywords, and then let me see whether it's. It's not really a highly searched topic, so you can rank very easily for this keyword. You know why? Let me show you why. Let me unzoom it for you. Because the end of the video is at most they are like 10 to 20 search terms talking about how to make tasty snacks at home in 5 minutes. So it's a good keyword to target, and you probably rank well for this keyword. So we're going to talk about vidIQ, which is a free Chrome extension, in the next chapter. Please watch on. It'll be very interesting as we go through different niches, so you get a better idea of checking out, and then have a more expert view or basic. Even if you are for a basic level, you can get expert understanding on how to rank for keywords. So this is one of the ways to do it. I'll be focusing a lot on the ways, drilling for it. So now I finished weight loss exercise. Now it's a fitness niche. So now we go back to Google.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for pricing, ratings, and reviews.